I was just sitting here at the airport cleaning up this snow so passengers can travel safely. As soon as tower frees up a little bit of space for us, we can go make a run on the airfield. When we take the field, it's usually probably about like 15 to 30 minutes before it starts accumulating. We get all of our equipment ready, get our plows attached. If there's any chance of snow, our supervisors get the heads up from them. They give us a call in, and then we come here. We have two separate teams, but when we do the runway, we work together. But then we branch off to the different taxiways so we can cover more airfield quickly. We use our plow and broom setup, this rig that we're in. And then behind us, we'll throw down like liquid de-ice, which pretty much kind of holds it at temperature so you don't get any icing or anything like that with like a thin coat of snow. That also prevents any kind of icing as well. Sand obviously helps with traction. We cannot use salt because salt is a corrosive product. Bad for engines, bad for pretty much anything that's not stainless steel. It's fun. We started from actually, this is like we call these combination units because it's a plow and a broom. It's kind of cool. It's like a semi with fun attachments, I guess. So yeah, it's pretty cool.